Welcome to Learn CAE channel. In this tutorial, assembly modeling of a clamp assembly shall be demonstrated. The assembly model consists of 5 components and all models are already available in step format. Let us open all the components one by one. Further, we shall save all parts into Solidworks 2019 format. Now let us create a new assembly file and save it as clamp_assembly. But first, we need to insert the clamp base into the absolute origin and we need it to be fixed, so we shall click OK without specifying a certain position. Further, we need to click Show Planes to use it in mates we are about to create. In the next step, we shall insert clamp cap part. Let us make a concentric mate between clamp base and clamp cap. Further, we shall add another coincident mate between this surface and this one. Now let us add angle mate between this surface and this one for a value of 180 degrees. Let us edit mate to reverse its direction. Now we shall insert clamp plug part into the assembly. Let us show the front, top and right plane of the clamp plug. Now add a coincident mate between the right plane of clamp plug and the top plane of the clamp base. Now let us add concentric mate between clamp plug and clamp base. We shall make the right plane of the clamp plug and this surface to be perpendicular. Next, we need to insert clamp nut and 2 of the clamp pin. Now we shall add concentric mate between clamp plug and clamp pin. Let us make this surface and the other one to be coincident. Now we need to locate the pins. Let us add concentric mate with clamp base. Now we need to add coincident mate between surfaces. Let us do the same with other pin. Finally, we can save the clamp assembly model. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.